Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very famous Sri Lankan snack recipe, a mutton roll. Come, let's get into the video and check out the ingredients and how to make it. I'm G from G's Kitchen. Now I have kept all the ingredients ready. I have taken about 300 grams of mutton. I chopped it into very small pieces and all the other ingredients are ready. Come, let's make the mixture first. Into a pan, I have added some oil. I'm going to add 1 large onion chopped. Saute this well. Once the onions start getting cooked, now I'm going to add in some chopped curry leaves. And here I have chopped around 3 green chilies, small size green chilies. According to your taste, you can add in. And saute this well with little bit of salt. Once the onions are cooked well, now I am going to add in the mutton inside. Stir well. Cover this and cook it for about 5 to 6 minutes. Maintain the flame in medium-low. While the mutton is cooking, here I have taken little bit of cinnamon, cardamom and cloves. I'm going to grind this into a nice powder to add that in later. After about 5 minutes, let's open it. I did not add any water, but you can see how much water the mutton has oozed out. It will take some time for the mutton to cook. So just give it a stir and cook it further for 3 to 4 minutes before we could add in the potatoes. Now after about 3 minutes, let's open it again. Now I am going to add in some potatoes. I have used about 1.5 potato here. Don't add more potatoes, then the taste will differentiate. Don't add more potatoes, then the taste will change. Add the potatoes. These are not cooked potatoes. We are adding it raw and cooking it along with the mutton. And here I am adding half a tablespoon of red chili powder. According to your taste, if you want more spiciness, you can add more. Mix well. Now add in the masala powder which we grinded, cardamom, cinnamon and cloves. Now I am going to add in half a cup of water and I am going to leave this to cook for further 10 to 15 minutes. Give it a taste test and add masalas as per your. Give it a taste test and add more salt or chili powder as required. I'm going to add in little bit more salt. and close it and cook it for further 15 minutes. Now while the potatoes and mutton is cooking, I'm going to make the pancake batter for the mutton rolls. Here I have taken 1 cup of all-purpose flour, adding in enough salt. Give it a mix. If you want, you can add a pinch of turmeric as well for color. And now add water little by little and mix this to a pancake consistency. I have brought this to this consistency, and to make it smoother, I'm going to put this into a blender and blend it for 2 to 3 seconds. Then we can get a smooth pancake batter. Now the pancake batter is ready. This way it becomes lump free and it's easy for us also. This is the consistency we need for the pancake. Now let's keep this aside for 5 to 10 minutes until the mutton is cooked well. It has been about 10 minutes. Now let's open it and give it a stir. Since it's a bit dry, I'm going to add in a little bit more water. I'm adding a little bit more water. And letting it to cook for another 5 to 10 minutes. Now after about 10 minutes, let's open it. Now you can see it has cooked well without any moisture in it. Switch off the flame. The potatoes are cooked well. Don't mash up too much, only a little bit. And then let's keep this aside until we make the pancakes. Now here I have kept a chapati pan and I'm going to make the pancakes. Pancakes, we need it very thin. We don't want thicker so that the rolls become thicker. Take a spoonful of batter and slowly spread it. It is cooking faster and we don't have to flip it the other side. We can just take it as it is. Now this side is cooked. Just take the pancake out. While it is hot, we are going to make the rolls. Keep little bit of mixture, don't overdo it. And flip it from either sides first. Flip it from here. And flip it from both sides. Then roll it. Roll it slowly. Let's continue doing this. Now here I have made all the rolls. Now here I have got some egg and the balance pancake batter. You can use either pancake batter or the egg wash. Egg without yolk. Add this in. Mix it and mix it in the breadcrumbs. Let's do all of it as in the same way. Here I have made all the rolls. Now in a pan I have added some oil and we have to deep fry this. Let the oil boil first. Now the oil is nice and hot. Let's add in the rolls one by one. I'm not going to crowd it. Add one by one. and fry them. Maintain the flame in medium low. Since my breadcrumbs is added with orange color, my rolls has turned out to be slightly orange. But if you use a regular breadcrumbs, you will get a nice golden brown. Now the mutton roll is ready. I'm going to fry the rest in the same way. Tasty mutton roll is ready. I'm going to enjoy it with a cup of black tea. Make this at home and enjoy with your family and friends. Let me meet you with another interesting recipe. Thank you.